Do you want to write blog posts that convert well enough? Besides educating and informing your readers, the business backend of your blog posts is to draw readers in and generate leads and sales for your products and services. Copywriting for blog posts is meant to get more readers to interact with your content, brand, and products, and is crucial to ensure that your blogging is profitable. Catchy headlines. Headlines are a valuable tool for capturing attention and piquing curiosity. They play a role of distracting the reader from other activities that may be competing for attention. Even for a well-written blog post, you will not get any clicks if your headline is not optimized to capture the interest of your audience. Your first paragraph is important. Your first paragraph is the only chance you may have to impress a reader. Make sure you do it right. As promised in your title, your first paragraph should follow up with important information that your reader is itching to know about. In addition to providing value to the reader, your first paragraph should generate enough intrigue that the reader will want to continue reading. Format your blog post appropriately to increase retention. Breaking down your blog posts into readable segments is important. It helps your readers stay engaged through the whole length of the article. Formatting your blog post enhances the user experience for your audience. It helps increase comprehension, which ultimately leads to better conversion rates. Use subheadings to cluster subtopics within your blog post. Your subheading should speak directly to the reader and act as a roadmap to accessing information. Have an elaborate call to action. Clear calls to action are a fundamental component in copywriting. Whether you want your visitors to subscribe to your newsletter, donate, or buy a product or service, they will be taking action on your website. If your blog post was great enough to pique their interest, the next step would be to persuade your audience to take action. Make sure that your call to action is visible and distinguishable from other elements on your website. Write clear and concise messages. Clear and concise messaging is necessary for blog posts that convert. For your website to convert more, ensure that your content is clear and concise. For readability, short and concise sentences with 14 to 17 words are preferable. Your paragraph should have 1 to 3 sentences. Large blocks of text are hard to read, especially on mobile. Bullet points are also helpful in drawing your audience's attention to the key ideas that your copy covers. Optimize for mobile. Optimizing your blog posts for mobile is as important as other necessary measures that you take to maximize your website's conversion rates. Copywriting offers a great deal of knowledge on how to write blog posts that convert. Using your copywriting skill as a yardstick, you can tweak your blog post to attract, engage, retain, and convert an audience. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.